Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the family Solanaceae. The discussion will go through following points: distribution of family Solanaceae, systematic position of the family Solanaceae with common plants, key characters of the family Solanaceae, important type of Solanaceae, that is Dhatura metal, and finally economic importance of family Solanaceae. Distribution of the family Solanaceae. This family is commonly called potato family. It is a large family well distributed in tropics and subtropics, though a few members are found in temperate zone. The family includes 2000 species belonging to 90 genera. In India, it is represented by 70 species of 21 genera. Systematic position of the family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae belonging to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Phanerogams, division Angiosperm, class Dicotyledone, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellite, order Polymoniales, family Solanaceae. Common plants of the family Solanaceae. Lycopersicum esculatum, that is tomato, a tall herb with red globose pulpy fruit. Solanum melongena, that is brinjal, a tall spinous herb with edible berries. Capsicum annuum, that is chili, a tall herb with green edible fruits. Nicotiana tobacum, that is tobacco, a tall herb which yield nicotine. Vidania somnifera, that is ashwagandha, a perennial tall herb. Cestrum nocturnum, that is queen of the night, a garden plant with flowers emitting sweet smell at night. Key characters of the family Solanaceae. This family includes plants, may be herb, shrubs, rarely trees. The leaves are alternate, the flowers solitary or in cymose inflorescence. The inflorescence may be axillary or terminal. Flowers are pentamerous, actinomorphic, hypogynous, and hermaphrodite. Calyx is persistent, gamosepalous. Corolla is gamopetalous, campanulate. Stamens are epipetalous. Gynoecium is bicarpellary syncarpous, ovary obliquely placed with axile placentation. Ovules many in each locules, fruit, capsule or berry. Let us now discuss the important type of the family Solanaceae, that is Dhatura metal. In Marathi, it is called as Dhatura. Habit. It is an annual herb. Root system, taproot, branched, annual. Stem is herbaceous, erect, cylindrical, branched, slightly woody and hairy. Leaf is alternate, opposite in floral region, simple, exstipulate, petiolate with sinuate margin, glabrous on both the sides, unicostate with reticulate venation. Inflorescence is solitary, axillary. Flower is shortly pedicellate, bracteate, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, complete, hypogynous and pentamerous. Calyx with 5 sepals, gamosepalous, tubular, angulate, acuminate, green, persistent with twisted estivation. Corolla with 5 petals, gamosepalous, campanulate, violet outside with twisted estivation. Androecium with 5 stamens, epipetalous, filament long, anther basifix, diathecous. Gynoecium is bicarpellary syncarpous with ovary superior, obliquely placed, 4-celled due to formation of false septum, with axile placentation, many ovules in each locule, style long, stigma bilobed. Fruit, capsule. Floral formula and floral diagram. Floral formula is nothing but symbolic representation of floral characters. This is not floral formula of entire family. It is separate for each plant. As plant specimen changes, floral formula and floral diagram also changes. Bracteate flower is represented by symbol Br. Flower actinomorphic is represented by plus sign with circle. Bisexual flower is represented by its own sign. Calyx represented by symbol K. corolla represented by symbol C, androecium represented by symbol A, gynoecium represented by symbol G. Underline sign below the G represents ovary superior. For drawing floral formula, we have to consider the flower from outside to inside. For Dhatura metal, the floral formula is flower is bracteate, regular, bisexual, 5 sepals which are united, 5 petals which are united, stamens 5. These stamens are attached to the petals, bicarpellary gynoecium with ovary superior. Floral diagram is the graphical representation of flower structure. It shows the number of floral organs, their arrangement and fusion. Different parts of the flower are represented by their respective symbols. Floral diagrams are useful for flower identification, or it is helpful for understanding angiospermic evolution. To draw the floral diagram, we have to consider the flower from inside to outside. For floral diagram, tiers of ovary is essential. First, we have to show tiers of ovary in the middle, then stamens, then corolla with its estivation, after that calyx with its estivation, and finally floral axis with bracts. Economic importance of the family Solanaceae. Several members are cultivated throughout the world for their great economic importance. Food. Many members via Solanum tuberosum, that is potato, Solanum melongena, that is brinjal, Lycopersicum esculentum, that is tomato, capsicum, that is chili, are used as a vegetable. Medicine. Atropa belladonna contains alkaloid atropine. This is used in belladonna plaster. Atropine is used in eye testing. Nicotiana tobaccum, Hyoscyamus niger, Solanum nigrum, Dhatura, Vidania somnifera are used medicinally. Narcotics. Tobacco is obtained from the leaves of Nicotiana tobaccum and variously used in cigars, bidi. Ornamentals. Petunia, Cestrum, Lycium, Salpiglossis, Schizanthus are cultivated in gardens for ornamentals.